Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nitro token. Now the Nitro token is live for pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They're off to a good start here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here. Nitro. So Nitro is a Web 3.0 reward-based fitness application with GameFi, SocialFi, and FitFi aspects. Participate in various fitness activities like running, cycling, jumping, or swimming, and earn rewards. Liquidity is locked. They have an airdrop program, app for iOS and Android, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko Fast Track, central exchange listings. The first 10 and last 10 investors who buy more than 3 BNB receive 20% cash back in BNB for this pre-sale. So there's still like over 2.5 days left of this pre-sale. Right now they are trending #1. So the pre-sale just started and right away trending #1, so that's great. They have a full audit listed on here, so they were audited by Cyberscope, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC on here, which means their team was doxed to Cyberscope to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. And they also have an Instagram on here, Telegram, Twitter, GitHub, official webpage, and a little embedded YouTube video that shows what their app interface looks like called Nitro Move to Earn app. So this is a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything to get on here. They have, Nitro is the name of the token. Nitro is also the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100 million tokens. And they have, let's see here, token metrics pie chart is on here. 28% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 13.9% of the tokens go to liquidity. 39.8% of the tokens go to move to earn rewards. 8% for marketing. 7% for team tokens. 3% for central exchange listings. And then we got just a tiny little amount, 0.16% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, if you missed this pre-sale and you're still looking to get this token, you can get the token shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap, and liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. They also have a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on PinkSale. It says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. Owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audit. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, nitro.game, you can find links to their application from the iOS or Android stores there. They go over features, choose your activity, how to earn, roadmap, Web 3.0 reward-based fitness application with GameFi, SocialFi, and FitFi aspects. So basically there's different sports you can partake in, like running. Then there's cycling. They had a trampoline there. Let me go back here. I accidentally clicked on something. Okay. So they have a trampoline here. Then they have a, what is that? Looks like different outfits. Probably like NFT outfits. Looks like they have the shoes. The most motivating move to earn app that rewards you for fitness efforts. Choose your activity you'd like to earn on it. Equip yourself with NFTs in the form of sneakers, bikes, trampolines, or swimsuits, and earn rewards by participating in various fitness activities. Swimming is also on here. Jumping, running, cycling. So healthy lifestyle plus crypto profit. Our goal is to help you stay motivated and encourage your new fitness habits while earning crypto. You can download the app, move and earn rewards compatible with smartwatches and wristbands, it says as well. So the features here: move to earn, participate in activities such as running, jumping, cycling, swimming, get rewards, do both sports and earn crypto. Rewards: the app tracks actions using GPS and rewards you for the movements. You can exchange your earned rewards for Nitro tokens or sell them on the exchange. The Nitro token is the native currency in the app. To increase liquidity, purchase NFTs, and then they have the NFT marketplace. Each NFT has 3 levels: easy, normal, and hard, which can bring you different amounts of profits, and you can trade them on the NFT marketplace. So on the marketplace, it'll allow you to buy, sell, and trade unique NFTs that you own. The payments are accepted in cryptocurrencies or credit cards. So the different types of NFTs are sneakers, trampolines, bikes, and swimsuits. So that was the gear that I was looking at. It was different swimsuits that you could purchase, the clothing, basically. Partners are on here: BSC Scan, Dex Tools, PancakeSwap, CoinMarketCap, etc. So the roadmap is on here, starting with websites, launch, project conception, app design, development, move to earn, market research, partnerships, creation of NFT design. Then we got smart contract audit, community contests, marketing campaign, pre-sale on Pink Sale. So that's where we're at right now. Then coming up next, we're going to have CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing. Then we're going to have the launch of the Nitro app, active marketing phase, more partnerships, listing on exchanges, Nitro app v2.0, and then roadmap update. If you want to keep in touch, they have a YouTube, Telegram, Instagram, GitHub, Twitter. So you can click on the different activities. Like you can click on swimming. It'll show you what the swimsuits look like. You can click on the trampoline. You can click on the bike. So that's how you navigate around. And then, like I said, you could also download the app if you want to. Their Twitter is at @app_Nitro. They have 130 tweets so far, and they just joined in September 2022. It says they're from the UK, and they already have 11,600 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well on Twitter. You can also find 2 different telegrams listed on their Twitter there, and their pinned tweet is just talking about how their pre-sale is live. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Nitro? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.